Somewhere on Amazon, someone is buying a device that can spy through darkness, and another person is ordering a gadget that can reveal wireless signals hidden all around them. 25 of these gadgets exist, and every single one looks like it came straight out of a spy movie. Number 25. Teal Golden Eagle AI. This looks like a compact reconnaissance drone. Small, agile, and surprisingly lightweight. What makes systems like this remarkable is their ability to maintain awareness of moving objects while navigating complex environments. AI continuously analyzes visual information to help the aircraft adapt to changing conditions. Watching modern autonomous flight systems operate often feels like watching technology from decades in the future. Advances in machine vision have dramatically improved how autonomous aircraft perceive their surroundings. Number 24. Kerberos DR. This looks like a collection of radio hardware to most people. It appears confusing and highly technical. Its purpose is to help identify the direction of radio signals. Engineers and researchers use systems like this to study wireless environments and locate sources of transmission. The idea that invisible signals can be mapped in physical space often feels like something from a spy movie. Number 23. Parrot Anafi AI. This looks like an ordinary foldable drone. Lightweight, portable. The difference is what happens after takeoff. Instead of simply flying, advanced systems can identify objects, track movement, and navigate complex environments with increasing autonomy. For industries such as inspection, mapping, and infrastructure management, that capability is incredibly valuable. AI-powered aerial systems represent one of the fastest-growing areas of robotics development today. Number 22. Ubertooth One. This looks like a USB adapter. What makes it unique is its focus on Bluetooth research. Tools like Ubertooth help researchers better understand how these communication systems operate. As Bluetooth devices became increasingly common, interest in studying wireless communication protocols grew dramatically. Number 21. Night Vision Monocular. This looks like a compact telescope you'd expect to find in a camping bag or hiking backpack rather than a spy movie. Suddenly, environments that appear completely black become visible. Wildlife observers use them to monitor animals. Outdoor enthusiasts use them during remote expeditions. Security teams use them to improve visibility in low-light conditions. Watching darkness transform into a visible landscape never stops feeling impressive. Night vision technology spent decades restricted to military and specialized professional use before becoming increasingly available to consumers. Modern versions are dramatically smaller, lighter, and more affordable than earlier generations. Number 20. Smart Tracking Tag. This looks like an ordinary keychain. Most people clip one onto their keys, backpack, luggage, or wallet and completely forget about it. It sits there quietly, doing absolutely nothing noticeable for weeks at a time. The reality is that this tiny gadget can help people locate important belongings almost anywhere. Stories of travelers locating lost luggage through tracking tags have become surprisingly common in recent years, especially during major airport delays and baggage handling disruptions. These devices have become some of the most popular travel accessories sold on Amazon today. Number 19. Thermal Imaging Camera. This looks like a simple phone accessory at first glance. It resembles just another camera attachment. Small, lightweight, and easy to overlook. Suddenly, heat becomes visible. Warm footprints, overheating electronics, hidden water leaks, electrical problems, and insulation failures appear in ways normal cameras could never capture. The first time someone watches an ordinary wall reveal hidden temperature differences, it feels like something from a futuristic movie. Thermal imaging has been used for decades by military organizations and industrial inspectors, but consumer versions have become dramatically more affordable. Number 18. GPS Tracker. Small enough to fit in a pocket, ordinary enough to disappear inside a backpack. Most people wouldn't give it a second glance. What makes it impressive is its ability to help monitor the location of valuable property. Businesses use them for equipment, travelers use them for luggage. Fleet managers use them for vehicles. The first time someone watches a missing item appear on a map hundreds of miles away, it feels like technology from the future. Location tracking technology has become a major topic in logistics, transportation, and asset protection because of how dramatically it improves recovery rates. These devices are now among the most common tracking products available online. Number 17. Signal Detector. This looks like a basic handheld meter. Most people would assume it belongs inside an electrician's toolbox or an engineering lab. In reality, it's designed to reveal electronic activity happening all around us. Wireless devices, communication systems, and various electronic signals create a hidden environment that most people never notice. The first time someone uses a detector and realizes how much invisible activity surrounds them, it's genuinely surprising. Signal detection tools are commonly used by technicians, engineers, and security professionals when troubleshooting communication problems or investigating interference issues. Consumer versions have become increasingly popular as interest in privacy and wireless technology continues to grow. Number 16. Wall scanner. This looks like a basic DIY tool. It's the type of gadget you'd expect a homeowner to buy before hanging a picture frame. Then it starts revealing what's behind the wall. Contractors use them daily, but for most people, seeing through a wall for the first time feels surprisingly futuristic. Number 15. Digital night vision binoculars. This looks like a regular pair of binoculars. You'd expect to find it at a sporting event, hiking trail, or nature reserve. The difference becomes obvious after sunset. Suddenly, areas that appear completely dark become visible. Wildlife, landscapes, and distant objects emerge from the darkness in ways that seem impossible to the naked eye. Night vision technology was once associated almost exclusively with military operations and specialized professional teams. Today, consumer versions allow ordinary people to experience technology that once seemed completely out of reach. Number 14. Infrared inspection camera. This looks like a rugged industrial camera. Most people assume it's meant only for construction sites and maintenance work, but what it actually reveals is invisible energy. Problems that could remain hidden for months suddenly stand out on the display. Industries around the world use infrared inspection technology to prevent equipment failures and identify issues before they become expensive disasters. Prices have dropped dramatically over the last decade, making the technology accessible to far more users. Number 13. Software-defined radio. This looks like an ordinary USB stick. If someone left it on a desk, most people would assume it was a flash drive or some kind of adapter. What makes it fascinating is that it allows users to explore radio signals that surround us every day. Weather broadcasts, aircraft transmissions, satellite communications, and countless other wireless systems suddenly become visible through software. For many people, it's the first time they realize how much invisible information is constantly moving through the air. Researchers, engineers, and hobbyists have used software-defined radios for years to study wireless technology and better understand communication systems. Number 12. Air quality monitor. Behind the screen, however, are sensors constantly measuring environmental conditions. Air quality, humidity, temperature, and other invisible factors become visible in real time. Offices, schools, and homes increasingly rely on these devices to better understand indoor environments. Interest in environmental monitoring has surged as people become more aware of how indoor conditions affect comfort and productivity. These devices have become surprisingly common in both homes and workplaces. Number 11. AI audio recorder. A small device designed to capture conversations. What makes modern versions different is artificial intelligence. Hours of recordings can be organized, transcribed, summarized, and searched automatically. Tasks that once required days of manual work can now happen in minutes. Journalists, researchers, students, and professionals increasingly rely on AI-powered recording technology. Number 10. Portable document scanner. The kind of thing you'd expect to find collecting dust beside a printer. Nothing about it feels futuristic, exciting, or particularly advanced. Then you realize it can transform stacks of paperwork into searchable digital files within seconds. Contracts, receipts, handwritten notes, business cards, and entire archives can be converted into organized digital records almost instantly. For professionals who travel constantly, it's like carrying an entire filing cabinet in a backpack. Portable scanning technology has become increasingly important as businesses move toward paperless workflows and remote work environments. Number 9. Smart security camera. This looks like a standard home security camera. Millions of people have a mount above a doorway or sitting on a shelf somewhere in their home. At this point, they're so common that most people barely notice them anymore. What makes modern versions impressive is the intelligence behind them. Instead of simply recording video, they can recognize movement patterns, distinguish between people and animals, identify vehicles, and send alerts almost instantly. What once required a security team can now happen automatically. AI-powered security cameras have become one of the fastest-growing areas of consumer technology, transforming how people monitor homes and businesses. Some of the most popular models have accumulated tens of thousands of online reviews. Number 8. Wi-Fi Analyzer. This looks like an ordinary networking accessory. Most people wouldn't even know what it is if they saw one sitting on a desk. It helps visualize wireless networks, signal strength, interference, and coverage problems. What appears to be random internet issues suddenly becomes visible and understandable. For many users, it's the first time they realize how complicated wireless environments actually are. Consumer versions have become increasingly popular as homes fill with more connected devices than ever before. Number 7. High-powered digital monocular. You might expect to see it at a sporting event, hiking trail, or wildlife reserve, but then you look through it. Distant objects suddenly appear much closer. Landscapes, wildlife, architecture, and details invisible to the naked eye become surprisingly clear. Advances in optics have allowed consumer devices to achieve levels of magnification that once required professional equipment. Modern optical technology has improved dramatically over the last decade, making powerful zoom capabilities more affordable than ever. Outdoor enthusiasts and photographers have driven huge demand for these devices. Number 6. FID Research Tool. This looks like a simple card reader, the type of device you'd expect to see sitting beside a cash register or office desk. What makes it fascinating is how much technology now relies on radio frequency identification. Access badges, transportation passes, inventory systems, and countless business operations use RFID technology every day. Tools like this help researchers and engineers better understand how those systems function. RFID technology has become deeply integrated into modern life, making it a major area of study for security professionals and technology researchers. Number 5. HackRef 1. This looks like a small circuit board to most people. It resembles a piece of unfinished electronics rather than something powerful. Yet it has become one of the most respected tools in the wireless research community. It allows users to explore a huge range of radio frequencies and communication technologies. The HackRF became famous because it dramatically lowered the barrier to entry for learning about wireless communications. Number 4. Proxmark 3. This looks like a basic electronics development board. If you didn't know what it was, you'd probably assume it belonged to a hobbyist working on a DIY project. In reality, it became one of the most respected RFID research tools ever created. Security researchers use it to study access control systems, authentication technologies, and radio-based identification methods. What makes it remarkable is how much functionality fits into such a small device. The Proxmark 3 has been used extensively in educational environments and security research projects around the world. Number 3. Neuroid Behavior Sensor. This looks like an ordinary analytics device. Nothing about it suggests advanced artificial intelligence. The interesting part is that systems like this attempt to measure behavioral patterns and subtle interaction signals. Researchers use them to better understand how people interact with technology and where moments of hesitation, uncertainty, or attention occur. The goal isn't mind reading, it's pattern recognition. Number 2. Software-defined radio research kit. This looks like a collection of ordinary electronic components. There are no dramatic screens, no futuristic lights, nothing that immediately suggests advanced technology. Yet many engineers describe software-defined radio as one of the most eye-opening technologies they've ever encountered. It allows users to visualize and study signals that are constantly moving through the air around us. The experience often changes how people think about the invisible technological world they live in every day. Number 1. Smart Network Analyzer. This looks like a tiny networking accessory. You could easily mistake it for an adapter sitting beside a router. Its real purpose is helping users understand what devices are connected to a network and how information moves between them. As homes become increasingly connected, visibility has become more important than ever. Was there a gadget we missed? Or is there one from this list you want us to cover in more detail? Drop it in the comments, we read everyone. Share this with someone who thinks spy technology only exists in Hollywood. And don't forget to subscribe for more technology, security, and privacy breakdowns.